Well, hey there, I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we are about to go over some more BoxyCharm August spoilers for the base box as well as premium. We're going to go ahead and see everything that we got. Now I did see some of these on YouTube at GlamBySuzan, and she makes some pretty good guesses whenever she is guessing the products that will be in the box. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full spoilers for the AIA August-September box. Well, thank you so much, Sherry Nelson. Sherry says hi. Well, hi, Sherry, honey. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are spoilers so far for the BoxyCharm August base and also the premium box. Again, I found on YouTube at GlamBySuzan. She has guessed a couple of products, and a couple of them we haven't even seen yet. So she does show us some new spoilers, so that's exciting. And guys, again, I do want to remind everybody that early access for pop-up is going to be Monday, August the 10th. And then all access will open Tuesday, August 11th. Guys, we also got the August BoxyCharm theme. It is glamping. So, of course, hashtag glamping is going around on Instagram. I believe it's like glam camping is what it's supposed to stand for. Some, glam natural thing. But anyways, glamping is the theme. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to start with the base box. So the first one is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. The next choice item was the Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And then also the QMS Tinted Day Cream, as well as the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. Then up next, we have the Trestique Summer Glow and Go Set. Now this is a 4-piece. And then next is this other set, which is the Trestique A Matte for Every Mood. Now there is 6 pieces in this one. Next up is the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel. And then as well as the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Now guys, the next ones are unconfirmed, but Susan guessed that these next items will go into the base box. So we'll just have to see. Again, these are unconfirmed, but as soon as they confirm them, I'll let you know. So the first item that she thinks is going in the base box is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 eyeshadow palette. And then next is that Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. Now that was found yesterday on an Instagram post of Joe's, and somehow I missed it, but I did find that on BoxyCharm. The Boxy Preview found that. Next up is the Pure Hills Pore Clear Black Charcoal Foam, and then as well as the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches. And then this is a new one. This is the Aesthetico Bronzer. I'll put the name of the bronzer up here. And then next is the Real Her Brow Pencil. Next up is another new item. This is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. And then last but certainly not least is the Rockins Big Fat Liner. Next, guys, we're going to dive into the premium box. So first, we're going to do the choice items. The first choice item was the Sunday Riley A Plus High Dose Retinoid Serum. Next up is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. And then the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. Now, those were the 3 choice items, so if you would, let us know which one you chose. Next, this is supposed to be in every box. This is the Ciate London New England Edit Eyeshadow Palette. And then next is a variation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Next is another variation. This is the Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer. This is like the mascara and serum all in one. Next, these items are unconfirmed, but again, they are believed to go in the premium box. So the first item is the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. And then the next item, presumed to go into the premium box, is the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section, and if you did get to choose the choice items, go ahead and let us know what you chose. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Jessie King. Jessie says, ooh, I'm so addicted to Pure Lease. Jessie, honey, I'm with you on that. I love Pure Lease products. They are amazing, at least every one that I've tried. So I'm really glad you like it, and I hope you're getting that box. And honey, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out, and guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.